There we are. We are live. Hello, everybody. Welcome to an all new DTI Takeover Show. For those of you who are just tuning in, it is your girl, Miss Kayla, coming to y'all as always. G Sweets and Silas the Third are around, but they won't be on my interview. This is my show today. So, as always, we have a great guest for you today. I'm going to go ahead and bring her in. I have Miss Danielle Allen, owner of Royalty Accounting Firm. Hello.
Hello, everybody. Again, my name is Danielle of Royalty Accounting Firm. We are located off of Bush behind the Gate gas station in Jacksonville, Florida.
Jacksonville, Florida. I can't wait. We are actually getting ready to set up shop in Jacksonville, Florida. We just got our spot, and I believe next month is move-in day.
Oh, that should be exciting. So
So we are.
exciting. I love Jacksonville.
What you love about Jacksonville?
I don't know. You know what? I'm from Orlando, so I love Jacksonville. It has grounded me. I can honestly say it has grounded me and settled me. I love, it's always something to do here. I love the people here.
Don't do that. Don't freeze up on me. We breaking up. Can you hear me? You breaking up.
Okay, did you hear me?
No, you was breaking up.
I had seen the thing going and I had kept going. So, like I was saying, I love Jacksonville. It has grounded me. It has
Mhm.
guided me and got me to where I am today. I am originally from Orlando, Florida, so I've been to Jacksonville for the past four um 4 to 5 years, and it has a tremendous support system in entrepreneurship and building businesses and stuff like that. So I
Okay.
just love the atmosphere in
So
Jacksonville.
what's the difference? What's the difference from Orlando and Jacksonville?
The difference is Orlando is a tourist town. So
Okay.
Orlando is geared towards, tourists, and it's not geared towards, building businesses. It's not geared, it's family oriented, I can say that.
Mhm.
But as far as giving back, and it's not structured in the dynamic like that. In Orlando, it's who you know, and it's geared to more who you know and who you are connected to.
Okay. And then so Jacksonville is more of your businesses, your entrepreneurs.
Correct. And it's family oriented. It's always something to do. You can always, it's not leveled on who you know. You can always build from where you are.
Got you. Um, so how did we get to Royalty Accounting Firm?
How do you get to us? We are on social media. You can follow us on Royalty Accounting Firm on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. We are located at 550 Balmoral Circle North, Suite 203, Jacksonville, Florida 32218. You can also find us on the web at royaltyaccountingfirm.com. You can find us on Google. So we
I
definitely
think
have
I
a
think
presence.
I think our new office is not that far from you. We are on South Morrow.
For real?
Yeah.
Yes.
we might be neighbors.
Yeah.
No,
But
that's interesting. So what made you get into royalty accounting?
so I started Royalty. Well, first of all, let me say that I just built Royalty Accounting Firm. We are freshly new, but I started in this financial industry in 2016.
Okay.
I started out, me and my sister, we opened up a business called Royalty Tax Service. And I started it when I was in Tallahassee. I was working for the Department of Revenue, and I seen the need and the challenges that business owners face when setting up their sales tax and reemployment tax. and relying on other sources to get them started, and
Mhm.
it was always a problem instead
Okay.
of a resolution. So I was the person that the business owners called and was crying and stressed out because they didn't have a starting process. They didn't know where to start at. They
Mhm.
relied on accountants for advice, and it wasn't always the right advice.
Mm.
So that's what gave me the motivation to get started. And since then, I started off doing taxes. I was just doing regular individual taxes and Schedule C taxes. I have built my experience, and I have built my firm to where it is today.
Gotcha. So, what were some of the common issues that you were seeing from these people when they were contacting you all? Like, I don't know what to do.
First of all, I seen a lack of education when it comes down to sales tax.
Okay.
Um, Small business owners, they get these catering businesses, they get these event planning businesses,
Mhm.
they get these product service businesses, and they don't know. They don't have the education in knowing that you have to file sales tax, how you have to file it, why you have to file it, how much needs to be paid into it.
Mm.
They had a problem with separating their money, the tax money, from their business profits.
Mm.
So they was taking the sales tax and using it for business overhead when sales tax is due to the state at the moment of collection. So the Department of Revenue would be coming after these business owners for tax money that they never saved. They never realized that it belonged to the state and
Wow.
not their own. So
Okay, you better educate us because we don't know either.
yes, yes. So
Okay.
in my firm, we definitely educate. As long we definitely educate. I'm big on educating. Also providing a service. We do payroll. We do bookkeeping. We do business consulting, and we do individual and business taxes.
Okay. Is this a field that you've always seen yourself getting into?
No, it is not a field that I always see myself getting into, but once I got into it, I loved it. It's my passion. It's my heart. It's my baby.
That's your baby. So, what did you want to do?
So when I was growing up, I wanted to be a paralegal. I wanted to go
Really?
into law. Yes, I wanted to
Okay.
go into law.
So, what kind of changed that journey from
I
law to accounting?
I think life experiences changed me from going into law. And I just I had my first son early. So just life experiences changed me from doing that, and I was just working. I always worked. And when I got into the Department of Revenue, I was like, this is what I love to do. And I tell anybody when it comes down to accounting and bookkeeping, you have to have a passion. It's a boring job. So you
Hmm.
have to have some type of heart's desire to do it.
I believe that 'cause I don't like doing what I got to do here,
Yeah,
but I know it's necessary, so I do it. But a
yeah.
passion, no. So, so if I come to you, I say, Danielle, I have a business. I need your help. I need to know how to get my finances started. Where's my starting point?
So I would say what your starting point is. Okay, if you come to me and you said, then I got a business.
Hmm.
What type of business do you have?
So I have a graphic designs company.
And is your business registered with the state of Florida?
Yes.
Okay, and have you opened up a business account?
No.
So, them are the questions. Them
Okay.
are your starting questions. To answer your question, them are your starting questions. So, in opening up a business, your starting point would be registering you're registering your business with the IRS. That's number one.
Okay.
Number two, you need to open up a business account and you need to register with the state of Florida. I'll tell anybody that's the first three main steps. You also
Hmm.
need to legalize your business, get a business email address, get a business domain. People want to know who you are and where you come from. They don't want
Hmm.
to see you on social media. They want to know. They want to find you on Google. They don't.
Hmm.
People don't trust everybody. You see what I'm
That's
saying? So
true.
you want to make sure that your business is legitimized
Mm-hmm.
That's your starting point, is legitimizing your business. On the back end, you want to make sure that you know how you're where your money is coming from, how it's coming in, and how it's going out. So to
Okay.
me, that would be your starting point.
Okay. So I guess my next question would be then what determines how your money is going in and coming out?
You would determine that.
I would determine that.
You would determine how are you going to get paid.
How am I
How's
going?
my money coming out? Am I invoicing my clients? Am I
Okay.
going to accept cash? Am I only going to accept checks? Them are the questions that you would ask to get to how my money is coming in. Then where my money is going out is I need to know the overhead of my business. What
Mm-hmm.
do I need to spend my money on, and what do I want to spend my money on? Separate the two. You see what I'm saying? So that you
Mm-hmm.
can know, because I may want to hire you as a graphic designer, but I may
Right.
not need to hire you.
Right.
So them the type of things that you have to look for.
Okay, look at you. Okay, you better tell us something. Okay,
Yeah.
so now I done registered my business. I got my accounts. I guess now I'm in the middle. I'm in the middle of my process with my business. What's happening? What's usually like the
Okay.
middle point?
Run it back because the thing was going in and out when you was talking.
Okay. So now, so I done established, let's say I done registered my business in the state of Florida. I done legitimized my business all across, right? Now I'm at a point where I don't know, what's that middle stage, I guess is my question.
So the middle stage, now that you done got your business up and running, you collected money,
Right.
you
I'm
got
getting
money coming
paid.
in, you
Hmm.
good. You
Hmm.
need to know where your the middle part is knowing like your taxes. Do I have to pay quarterly taxes? Do I need to be paying annual taxes? Am I set up for sales tax? Am I gonna hire employees? If I'm gonna hire them, what
Mm,
I'm gonna hire them at? Making sure that you have an onboarding process. If you have employees, you need an onboarding process for employees. You may need an onboarding process for clients. So that would be the middle part, is getting your back office in order.
okay. So is there a point where you suggest that a business, what determines, let me rephrase that. At what point should a business be able to consider, I am at a place where I can hire help? Because everybody want to hire help, but then the problem is I don't know if I can pay these people.
So that's true. That's a true statement. Everybody wants to hire help, but they don't know if the revenue fits the budget.
Right.
I feel like depending on the revenue that you have coming into the business,
Mm-hmm.
um I would analyze where I am in my workload, right? So if
Mm-hmm.
I have all these clients and
Mm-hmm.
I'm a one man shop,
Mm-hmm.
but I can't get to my clients in a reasonable time, I need to bring somebody on to assist me. Hiring somebody don't necessarily have to mean hiring them for pay. You see what I'm saying? You can get an intern.
Got you.
So it's bringing someone on to help take the load off. So that's when I would determine on bringing someone on board and what that looks like for my business.
Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. And so so now what would be the last part? It seems like, because accounting, this is like an ongoing thing. But
So the
accounting
it's I'm
here, what would
the
be
last part, I don't really see that it's a last part, because
right,
businesses grow and they continue to grow and they continue to grow, and you have to grow with the business. So you'll
right,
never be at a stopping point.
right.
So once you get the business starting,
Mm-hmm.
once you determine your revenue, once you got your finances under control, once you know where you're going and how you're going to get there, then
Mm-hmm.
you just continue to take the steps to get to where you're going to be in the business. The business never has a stopping point until you say, you know what, I'm done with this. This
Right,
is just too much for me.
right.
So that's
Okay.
That's my intake.
So how does one book your services?
So one books my services. I am a people person. I would rather you. I'm a talker, so you can call the office and schedule an appointment. You
Mm-hmm.
can book online. You can follow. You can book us on the website. But I would rather have someone call the office and say I want to book an appointment. But
Mm-hmm.
like I say, we do have online booking where you could go onto our website and book a consultation. So the starting process with me will always be a consultation
Okay.
because I want to make sure that you understand what I have to bring to your business and
Mm-hmm.
make sure it's aligned with where you want to go.
Got you. And so what were the different services that you all offer again?
So we offer individual and business taxes. We offer payroll and bookkeeping and consulting. So in my business consulting, it's more so of a business structure. That means we
Okay.
will structure your business. We will do the filing, the EIN, the state documents. We will get you a DUNS number. We will get your domain set up and your business email address. We'll get you everything that you need to get you started.
Okay. That's great. So, oh, so does people would some can I hire you for like everything?
You can't hire me for everything. You can hire me for everything. I want Royalty Accounting Firm to be a one-stop shop.
Okay.
So, say for instance, if you hire me to do your bookkeeping, if you
Mm-hmm.
hire me to do your bookkeeping and your payroll, we do offer discounted services. If
Okay.
you so so yeah, I, I want to be a one-stop shop, and you can't
Mm-hmm.
hire me for all services.
I can hire you from the beginning process to the middle and
To the
all the
end,
way through until we rock this thing out.
yeah.
Till the wheels fall off.
Yes. And we also set up bookkeeping. So if
Okay.
say for instance, if it's a time where you feel as though you can't afford to hire a bookkeeper, we
Mm-hmm.
can set up your books so that you can manage the process. And I can train you how to manage the process.
Now that's dope. That's what's up, Danielle. That's what's up. So let people know again how they can find you on your social media, and how they can contact you, whether it's website or email.
So you can contact us on the web, which is royaltyaccountingfirm.com. You can email us at contact@royaltyaccountingfirm.com. You can stop by our office. We're located at 550 Balmoral Circle North, Suite 203, Jacksonville, Florida, 32218. You can schedule your appointments online, or you can call the office at 904-549-5912, and we'll be glad to service you.
All right, y'all heard it here first on Total Entertainment Radio. Danielle, it's been a pleasure speaking with you today. I wish you much success with Royalty Accounting Firm. Hopefully, we can connect soon when we are out there in Jacksonville, Florida. Stay in touch. Let us know, what you have going on. Contact Total Entertainment Radio if you need anything.
Thank you. It has been a pleasure.
Okay, y'all. Well, for everybody who's tuning in, that's all I got for y'all today. Make sure y'all tune into Total Entertainment Radio every day. www.totalentradio.com. Hit that listen now. I'm sorry, it's not listen now. You hit that TER button and tune in and enjoy. Until next time, we are out.